Hello there, welcome back to Demonstrating Tech. Today I have a quick and easy tutorial for you how to create a Gmail account in just 2 minutes. So let's jump right in. Now open your browser of your choice. Here I have opened Google Chrome. Now navigate to gmail.com. So you will be landed on this page. Here you have to click on create an account. Fill your first name and last name. So you have to choose the date of birth. You have to choose the gender. So usually Google recommends the Gmail ID. Here it has recommended 2 IDs, so I'll select one. If you do not like any of these, you can select this option, create your own Gmail account, and you can specify the Gmail you are looking for. You have to put the password. Make sure you provide a strong password. You can provide your recovery email ID. Else you can skip the step. You can add the phone number, or you can skip the step. Later you can configure, and there you have it. You have learned to create a Gmail account in just 2 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.